Hi friends, today we'll discuss about CRR and SLR. What is CRR? Cash Reserve Ratio. Banks are required to maintain with RBI an average cash balance, 4% net demand and time liabilities. So, what is demand liabilities and time liabilities. Demand liabilities are savings account, current account. Time liabilities are fixed deposit, RD accounts. So for example, if a bank holds 1 crore worth of demand and time liabilities, in that 4% means 4 lakhs rupees should be kept in RBI's current account in a cash form. This is the ratio. So for example, instead of 1 crore, if it is become 2 crores, then 4 lakhs plus 4 lakhs. 8 lakhs you have to keep with the RBI. So your demand and the time liabilities are increasing means your CRR amount also increases. This one will be kept in RBI's current account. Whether every day you have to calculate this one. Okay, my deposits are this much. I have to keep a CRR 4% every day? No. RBI will consider the average balance maintained by the bank over the last 15 days for monitoring CRR. So every day you need not verify your CR balance, but average balance of 15 days average balance you have to average it, and you have to see that much amount should be available in RBI's current account. So in my example, bank, so for the calculation of CRR, what are the components should be included? So bank has some savings account. In savings account there is a balance. We have some margin account for the LC/BG, there is a balance available. We have some overdue deposits. Deposits are matured and it is not claimed. These are the overdue deposits. Fixed deposit, recurring deposits, unclaimed deposit. Total we have around, in my example, 8 crores is there. In that I want to keep 4% as CRR, means 33 lakhs cash. I have to keep it in RBI's current account. So my balances are increasing means my CRR amount in RBI will be keep on increasing. What is SLR? Statutory liquidity ratio. Banks are required to maintain by the way of investments in approved securities, cash in hand, gold and excess cash with RBI. So this ratio is 19.5% at present. This will be keep on changing. So this 19.5% on net demand and time liabilities. So already we have discussed what are the components for CRR. Same way for the SLR also we have components. These components are same, like what is the savings balance, margin and overdue deposits, fixed deposits. In this calculation I have same deposits, 4% already I kept it in RBI current account for the CRR calculation. For the SLR I need to keep around 1 crore 61 lakhs in RBI, but this is not in the cash form. This can be like you can put it in your approved securities, cash in hand. Need not like everything you have to keep it in RBI's current account. You can keep it in cash in hand, you can invest in securities. This 19.5% whatever calculation is coming, you can keep it in government securities, approved securities. Whether RBI will pay interest on this CRR SLR amount? No. RBI will not pay any interest on the CRR or SLR balance maintained by the bank. Thank you friends. Please